It's Shaurya, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. It's 1 year old, but the Best Buy dealer said on Black Friday, which was yesterday. Pretty sure that was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. And it was yesterday, so I got a big deal. Well, earlier when the Apple Watch Series 4 did not release, it was for about $430, $429. Then it reduced, and due to the Apple Watch 4 release, which was I think $365. Fair enough deal. But Black Friday sold it so cheap, and that was Best Buy. Sold such a good offer, and I can't tell you. Actually, I will. But it's $300. That's a cheap. And also, it's gonna be 38 millimeters. It's a white band, and I can't wait to open this. Last year, I had such a big plan of opening an Apple Watch, but I couldn't open it last year. But Black Friday, got a good deal, so I got it. Anyway, let's start to the unboxing. So, we're starting the unboxing. Let's peel it open. Oh, yes. You're going to be opening it. Yes, that's better. So if you guys have an Apple Watch 3 and you're still in November 2018, let me know down in the comments, because that would be great luck for me. Anyway, let's throw this packing over here. We might need it, so for boxing it back. Anyway, so 3, 2, 1. I don't know where to peel it from.
Yeah.
So I'm opening finally. Whoa, is that an Apple? Bike in California. So set it awkward. Let's open it and see what's inside. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I am the one. We got the watch. That is final deal. So, looks like we have a white sport band. And it's gonna be pretty awesome. So let's just start peeling this off. Peel this off. Here we go. Yes, we got it off. One part. We got that off. Wow! We have a real Apple Watch in hand now, guys. Start turning it on. Oh, yeah. I can wear this all day in my watch. This is a sport band. It's cool. Let me try putting it on my wrist. No, we'll save that for later. Let's see what else accessories. Well, I've only boxed iPhone, so I don't really know. We'll get to this point later. As you can see, the Apple Watch. It's pretty much still loading. So, yeah. I'm gonna set it up and I'll show you the accessories later. Okay, so I actually knew how to solve it. Look what it says, Apple Watch. So these are probably, I think these are just different languages. Yeah, these are actually different languages. I'm pretty sure this is the English one. So, yeah. As you can see, here's okay, so this is the English one. As you can see here, welcome to Apple Watch. So it'll say display, swipe, power button, press and hold to turn Apple Watch on or off. That's pretty much the power button here. Also, gestures. It also shows the heart rate sensor, speaker, air vent, mic, band release button. Changing bands, so there's a new button. Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and that's pretty good. And then there's just these details. So as you guys wanted to know about, these are my extra accessories, like another band. Like if you think it's too small, you can replace it. That's another accessory. You also have a charging cable, which I pretty much like. Like I haven't really seen it, like I've seen it rarely, but I like the wireless feature. And I think that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to my next video, and it's gonna be a surprise video. Goodbye and namaste.